Are you tired of feeling like you do all the work around the house and nobody ever helps you? Well, here are some of our tips that have helped us go from a household where she did everything to one where we now share responsibilities. So, when we first got together, we were very young, and I grew up in a traditional household. So, it was very much so woman does cleaning, woman takes care of the house, I go and earn. But as you know, that could become an issue over time. That can create tension. That can cause all kinds of arguing. It took a long time, but she slowly started giving me stuff to do. So here are our tips on how we got past that moment of tension where she was feeling overworked, overwhelmed, and just had enough of it.
Here's how I handled training a man.
Yes, that's how she did it. So what we do is make a list of everything that needs to get done in the house. I think that's the best way to do it. That way everyone knows what needs to get done.
It could be a broad list, like as simple as cleaning the bathroom, cleaning the kitchen, cleaning the bedroom.
So just worry about getting all the stuff down first. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then because at this point I'm imagining everybody's frustrated, people are overwhelmed. Pick the thing that you hate doing the most. One or two things that you absolutely hate doing that are on that list.
Bathrooms.
There you go. Hers was bathrooms. She's like, I hate cleaning the bathrooms, cleaning the toilets, cleaning all that. So she hated that. So I said, okay, I'll take that. She also hated putting all the dishes away. She didn't mind washing dishes. She hated putting them up after.
I actually love washing dishes.
Yeah,
putting them away.
Exactly. So I was like, cool. I hate washing dishes, but I don't mind putting them away. So we found where we could alleviate our partner's stress, the things they hated the most. So identify what you hate the most, then your partner can shoulder that one and take it. Now, if there's two things y'all hate together, one of y'all be the adult, bigger person. Remember, you're trying to alleviate the tension and stop your partner. Yeah, you could also take turns. That's a great resolution. You can take turns on it.
We kind of do that in the bathroom because I hate doing bathrooms. I'm a boy mom, boy household, only girl. Hate bathrooms.
It's a lot of pee everywhere.
It's all over the place on the fucking roof. So he cleans the bathroom.
Yes.
But every now and then I do go in there about once every month or once every 2 months or so, and I'll do a deep clean of the bathroom. But that one deep clean beats having to go and clean it every 2-3 days or whatever it needs to be. So
divvy it up, figure out what works, but try to alleviate what's aggravating you the most. Another one that really helped us was, because I would say I cleaned it. I did it all the time. And she would be like, look at all this mess that's still here. Like, you didn't do any of this. So
expectations.
Yes. I told her, talk to me like a kindergartner. Imagine you're teaching a 4-year-old to clean this place. That's how I need you to show me. I need to see a finished product. That way it sets expectation, because males don't see things the way females do. It's biology. You're greater with detail. Y'all have greater attention to detail, and y'all can see things standing out like a sore thumb. If I move something of hers, she's going to notice. She 100% notices. Nobody will tell her. She won't have a clue. She'll walk in and be like, who touched my stuff?
Yeah, we did practice runs where I cleaned, showed him where everything was going, how I cleaned it, what I used. And then the second time he did it, I kind of overlooked, made corrections. And then after that, it was your responsibility.
and it allowed me to take ownership of the project. I started using my own chemicals and my own stuff that I like and tools that made it easier for me to get the job done. Because with my ADHD brain, I had to overcomplicate it to make it fun and interesting. But we did it. We found a resolution. We set the expectation of clean. Now, here's a stupid thing that I do, but it's a good tip. If you're a guy who's struggling to get it as clean as your wife wants it, download Pinterest, scroll through Pinterest, get accustomed to how clean looks on Pinterest, and then when you clean your whatever your area is, ask yourself, would I post this on Pinterest? It sounds stupid, but if you're confident enough to take a photo on there and post it on Pinterest, then it's clean. Like, that's my expectation of clean now. It's my level of clean. It wasn't before. She had to show me, set the expectation, but it is now. So if I wouldn't post it on Pinterest, I'm not gonna end up doing it.
That kind of takes us over into the third thing, because I already showed you how I wanted it, overlooked you doing the cleaning. So now I'm handing the responsibility off to you. So that means I should not have to overlook the responsibility, nag, or check if it's done, anything like that. Because now it is your responsibility 100%. So tip number 3 is do not overlook responsibilities. They're his problem. They're your problem. Just get it done.
Yeah, because the whole goal is to alleviate this from your plate. If you give it to him and then keep it on your plate by looking to check if it's getting done,
that's exhausting.
It's not taking it off your plate. You're just adding an additional external stress on top of the ones you now agreed to do. It's stupid. Let it go. Don't think about it. Trust your partner.
There is times too where I walk in and I'm like, it's not clean. Okay, not my problem. I'm gonna just do what I'm in here to do and then get out. But then there's times where I walk in, I'm like, holy shit, he cleaned. All right, great.
It's a good feeling. And seeing your partner walk in and like come out and just thank you, randomly thank you. Like, thank you for cleaning the bathroom. It's, oh man, it hits
Men
so
need
different.
Doggy treats. When they do something good, give a treat.
It's that simple. We need thank yous, back rub, like just a little scratch on the back of the head. Nothing major. We're so simple. Little touch, little affection, whatever your man's love language is, give it after he does something good. Easy. Train us like dogs. So the last thing that we'll say, if it's not getting done, don't, like she said, don't nag, don't bring it up. Wait until there's like a designated, we've talked about this before, having designated times for arguments. So if there are issues with the system after y'all have laid it out, after responsibilities have been done, if there's still things going on,
revisit.
Yeah, just revisit, reevaluate. But ultimately, you're adults, get things done. I know, guys, a lot of times we say, oh, well, I'm working. She should be able to take care of the house. Dude, it's exhausting to take care of the house. If you didn't have a partner, my wife says this all the time, if you didn't have a partner, you'd still have to wash your clothes. You'd still have to wash your dishes. So that's the 4th thing on our list is if it's yours, it's your responsibility. If it's your clothes, you wash it. If it's your dish, you wash it. If they're your shoes, you put them away. If it belongs to you, if it's on your body, it's your responsibility. Get it done. That's a huge tip that has saved us a lot of headache and transferred even to our children. Our kids wash their own plate. Our kids clean their own bathroom. Our kids clean their own room. And she's had them doing their own laundry since they were about 8, 9 years old. They're going out full responsible men. They're teenagers now. Everybody handles their business. It's respect. It's not chore or obligation. It's disrespectful to leave your shit lying around and expect your partner to take care of it. It's disrespectful to them. If you wouldn't do it to a friend at a friend's house, don't do it to your partner at your house. It's that simple. So take ownership of your shit, clean your stuff. Those are our tips. You got anything else, Rye, before we sign off for this video?
Training you. That's a good training.
Just don't like fighting. Just don't want issues. That's it. That's it, guys.
You graduated that.
Yeah, I did it. Yeah. So those are our tips.
Ladies, they are trainable. You can do it. You can train them. I was the worst. It takes time.
I was the worst.
But it'll be worth it.
Yep. But that's it. Watch some more videos if you want while you're here. Thank you so much for watching this one. We hope you enjoyed. We got more to come.